Hi, I'm Mica. I'm a certified ESL teacher from the UK. I have 4 years of experience helping learners become confident English speakers, both at work and in everyday life. Do you already know some English but still struggle to express yourself clearly and naturally? If so, I can definitely help you. I specialize in real spoken English, including phrasal verbs, idioms, and natural British expressions. Our conversations focus on what matters to you so that you can speak with confidence in real life situations. Our lessons are always tailored to your level and your goals. I'll gently guide and correct you, helping you to improve your fluency, pronunciation, and overall confidence. So, if you're ready to speak more naturally and express yourself with ease, then I would love to work with you. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I hope to see you soon.